Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, wireless module, display panel assembly, and display bezel. Removal: peel back the retention tape and disconnect the webcam cable from its connector on the webcam board. Using a non-metallic, flat-bladed tool, carefully remove the webcam board from the adhesive and alignment pins that secure it to the display enclosure. Place the webcam board in a static-dissipative bag. Replacement: remove the webcam board from the static-dissipative bag. Connect the webcam cable into its connector on the webcam board and replace the retention tape. Place the webcam board onto its alignment pins and gently apply pressure to the webcam board to adhere it to the display enclosure. Route the webcam cable through the routing channel on the display enclosure.